We've talked about Elementor AI website builder before, but today we're putting it to the test. We're using Angie by Elementor and Elementor's AI capabilities to help us build a fully functional e-commerce website inside Elementor using WooCommerce. So let's get started and test it out and see how it works. First things first, we're logging into our Elementor account and we're going to Pages directly and add new page. And then we click Edit with Elementor, or you can click Angie directly to lead you to the page and help you build directly with Angie. But we're clicking this and I'm going to click Page Layout Elementor Canvas just so I can see how AI acts and how it works. First things first, I'm using AI and I'm going to tell it to create a header for an e-commerce website. So create a header for an e-commerce website with a top bar, and you can also enhance prompt with AI, so I'm going to click that and then generate. It created the top thing and the social links right here, and we can choose an image. Let's choose one that is meant for an e-commerce store, for example. This one looks really good, and then you can change the button colors to match your brand, or just go with black. Same thing right over here. I'm just going to edit social icons. Okay, from background, there we go. And then we save the draft. I'm going to use Elementor AI for the next section of the site, and we're going to do product collections. These are featured products. Let's use this one. What you can do with AI is get the help from what they generate, and then you can duplicate things from them and make it your own. So for example, for this one, it says our latest social media, but you can edit it to say, check out our product collections. And with this one, you can have, oh, it has different slides, so this is great. So for example, you have 4 different collections. You can add an image and link to a custom URL that is for that collection. So for example, it can be dresses, tops, and so on. Let's try a few so we can see how it actually looks. This is really good. Let's add this one, and another one right over here, and that is a slider, so it looks even better. I'm going to delete this section right here, and for this one I'm going to choose black, and for this one I'm going to choose a brand color, and this looks really nice because it also slides. So let's see how it would look right over here. Perfect and perfect. But we will need to add a block, so a header, and we can insert it. And then of course brand it. Wait, what is this? No, we're going to pick menu 1. Home, shop, contact, for example. We have the social icons here, and here it can have the logo, for example this one right here, and we can make it smaller, so let's say, or you can center it and leave the menu here. This works as well. So then for the next section of your e-commerce homepage, you can have something like products, so we can feature a bunch of products. So I'm just going to click products, and it gives you a different style of product from where you would choose to get them from the sidebar from Elementor. You can choose a different way to showcase your product. So I said products, it gave us testimonials, but these are also good. But first things first, I would like to feature some products, and this is exactly what I'm going to wait for it to do. Maybe I should have given it more information. Okay, there we go, our top products, and use layout. And here you have the product in question. You pick the image, the product title, and you can customize the button if this is something that you want to do. different colors that match your brand, because this makes all the difference. And then after doing the header and then the product collections, the products, you can use AI to say something like client testimonials with client photo. Let's see what it generates for us, because it's really good at generating these sections for your homepage, for your shop page, whatever you need to use it for. It is great to use for WooCommerce, featuring your products and creating the right sections inside your website. I'm going to pick this one because it is a bit more different, and I like this, but I don't like is the fact that this is an icon and not a photo. So what you can do is go ahead and pick testimonial with the photo, but I'm going to delete everything else and I'm just going to leave the photo in that. So you can do Anna. I'm going to delete this from here. So it takes a little bit of editing, but it will end up looking really good. I'm choosing a bit of a margin up. This is where the review will go. I want to edit this one to be black so it can match our brand, and then this one as well. And then what you need to do is pick the color for the stars. This is where you add your review, and I wanted to have that, and you'll be like that. And for this one, I'm going to choose an image for the client because I feel like it looks a lot better. So this is how the testimonial will look. And I'm just going to copy. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to duplicate this 4 times before I add all the reviews, because it's a lot easier than just copying and pasting everything else. After choosing the testimonials, you can add a footer. You can create one yourself or choose one from here. You have plenty to choose from. Let's insert a simple one that you can then brand. Again, pick a menu, the number, all of these things, and choose the background color to match your style. Let me just copy the color from here and paste it, and of course the color for the text. And then you can click publish and preview your entire page that you built with AI. It looks really nice, minimal, modern, and you just need to fix a few spacing issues right here. But other than that, it looks really nice, and it is really easy to design such pages inside Elementor with their AI tools. So there you go, I tested it, now it is your turn. So make sure to go to the link below to sign up to Elementor Host and get Elementor One for your AI website design needs. If this video was helpful and you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!